Guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the Neat and Sleek wig right here. Look at that. I am loving it, guys. So as you guys already know, iMac is always playing up sometimes, so I actually filmed the beginning of the video for you guys, but unfortunately my iMac, iMovie had errors, so I had to refilm it for you guys while I was editing this video. So the hair comes with 3 combs at the front, 2 combs at the front, 1 comb at the back, and it also has an elastic strap, and the hair also comes with an elastic band as well. As you can see, the hair looks so natural on the skin. It gives an illusion of a scalp, and the knot has already been bleached straight from the box. The hair was actually made with human hair, and the lace wig has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, so you don't have to do anything at all. So you guys are going to see the natural state of the hair right now. So that's what the hair looks like straight from the box. So smooth, sleek, and no stray strings at all. The hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it, as you guys can see. And also I love how natural the scalp looks. Look at that, because the lace has been bleached to perfection, guys. Look at that. I am loving it. It looks so natural on the skin, and also on the head when you wear the hair as well. I'm really loving the fact that everything has been done for you. You don't have to do anything, but I had to use glue to install this so that I can wear it for a while, so I can give you guys an in-depth review as I am speaking right now. So this is me just cutting the lace, excess lace on the wig, and applying the Darelilian Cosmetics glue on my front forehead, if that makes sense. So yeah, I applied the glue on the head and on my head, and I just placed the lace exactly on the forehead, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's exactly how I installed the hair. But you don't have to use glue, you don't have to use gel, you don't have to use anything at all to install the hair, because the hair comes with an elastic strap. It also comes with an elastic band as well. So if you're in a rush to go out, just wear this wig and you are good to go. I also like the fact that the baby hair on the wig is actually very natural and very nice. But I decided to go a bit extra. But you guys know me when it comes to baby hair. I don't normally wear baby hair, but for this look I think it's best I do. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It felt like my natural scalp, the color of my skin exactly. I really love how the not the lace is bleached to perfection, and I also like the fact that the wig was made with natural human hair wig, which is really amazing, which means you're getting value for your money. Look at the hair, guys. Look at that. So natural. You can barely tell where the lace started, but I had to pluck a little bit of it because I'm not very good when it comes to baby hair. But yeah, I just decided to try this anyway because I believe the baby hair actually makes the hair look so good. So I went for baby hair in this video. So yeah, I am loving it so far. So I decided to cut the excess hair from the baby hair just to give that little dimension to the hair. Apply the gel and bam, that's what it looks like. Do you not judge my baby hair? But feel free to do yours as you please. But guys, look at that. The hair is popping, like popping, guys. Look at that. You can style it anyhow you like. I really love the quality of this hair, and the fact that it's full to the brim, and the fact that it also saves you time going to the salon. Look at that. You can style this hair just as much as you can style the salon hair as well. So it saves you time, it saves you money, as you can wear this many times because it's made with real human hair. And the fact that the wig is affordable just makes it a no-brainer for me, like a no-brainer, guys. I am loving it. And the fact that I could also style it anyhow I like even makes it more interesting for me. And yeah, great bargain in my opinion. And I love the quality of the hair. I love the quality of the lace. The lace is really soft, so it's made it easier for me to apply the hair without any stress at all. Look at that, it melted into my skin. I really love this. I've been wearing it for days now. People have been complimenting me like, oh, I love your hair. Oh my god, this must take ages for you to do it. I said, no, sorry, it's a wig. And they're like, oh my god, this is perfect. This is amazing. Can you share the details of this hair with us? I said, why not? Because the quality of it, the hair is just amazing. You don't have to, you know, tell people before they could tell, like, wow, this is her hair, is this her hair, is this a wig? they can barely tell because the lace melted into my skin. You guys can tell from the video as well, and I am loving all the styles that I created with this look. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this neat and sleek wig right here, guys. What do you think? I mean, I am loving it so far. I'm just quickly going to give you the details of the hair. The hair is actually 13 by 6 lace front wig, which means you can actually pat it up to this bit. The hair comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it, and as you guys can already tell, you can style the hair anyhow you like. So I'm just going to quickly go into details about what I really like about the hair. The hair is actually really long. It is, you know, far below my belly button, almost to my thighs, because I'm like 5.6, so the hair is really long. The hair is definitely on my waistline. It's very long, as you can tell. It's really long, and it's filled to, and it's actually full to the brim. Look at that. It's really long, and I'm loving it so far. As you guys can already tell, you can style the hair anyhow you like. You can go for center part, you can go for half part, you can go for any part of your choice. As you guys can tell, the scalp looks so natural. It felt so much like my scalp, which is one of the amazing things I really like about the hair. The hair is really soft and very long. I really love the length of the hair, and bear in mind that this hair actually comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and also an elastic strap, meaning you can wear this hair without any, you know, glue or gel or anything at all. And it also comes with an elastic band as well, so you have all options to install the hair, which is an amazing thing for me. For example, on days that you really want to go out without having to stress at all, then you can actually wear the hair with your elastic strap or with the elastic band inside the hair. Another thing that I really like about this hair is the fact that the hair the knot has been bleached for you. As you guys can tell, the knot of the wig is actually bleached to perfection in my opinion, because it gives the hair a realistic scalp look, as you guys can tell already. And I also like the fact that you can pat the hair anywhere, anyhow you like, and you've got loads of amazing style, you know, to go for. You can style the hair same as the hair that you sat for 20 hours to do. So in my opinion, this hair actually saves you more time. I mean, having to sit down for like 10 hours to do this is stressful, but with this 2 minutes you can go on and go up with any style of your choice using the elastic band that came with the wig straight from the box. So another thing that I really like about this hair is the fact that it is stress-free, very lightweight on the hair, and very full. From the front to the back is really full. I really like that about the hair. And also, so the hair was actually made with real human hair, so you're getting the real box for your dough. So if you get tired of wearing this hair, let's say 2-3 years, and you just thought, let me change the style of this hair, you can take the, you know, braids out and wear your wig as normal, because it's made with real human hair. So it's actually a bargain for me in terms of the price. Never heard about NeatandSleek before? Please go check them out, because they have all types of hair braids, all types. They have Ghanaian braids, they have box braids, they have twists, they have all types of, you know, braids hairstyle that you can actually, you know, rock at any time without having to go through that 20 hours sitting at the salon or anything like that. So I'm quite loving this so far, definitely feeling myself. Another thing that I really like about this brand is that their shipping was really quick. It took about 3 days to get here in the UK, which is an amazing thing in my opinion. And also in terms of their customer service, they have 100% customer service. They are quick, they're very quick to communicate with you, I mean, give you the update of how and where your hair is. So, and they also give you a tracking number for your hair, so you'll be rest assured that you definitely get your hair in 3 days. So that about them I really like a lot. Despite everything going on, you know, they still give you that, you know, quick service and amazing customer service. Another thing that I really like about this hair is the fact that despite the fact that the hair is really long, the hair from head to toe is actually full to the brim, so there is no need to worry about tangling or anything like that. It's really soft and very easy to manage and very easy to install, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. If you decide to go for glue or gel, it's absolutely your choice, but in my opinion, if you're not wearing the wig for, if you want a like quick go-to hair, I'll definitely use the elastic band, which is a very good, amazing option for you to be able to, you know, put your hair on and off you go. So that for me is a no-brainer. Also, the length of the hair makes the hair so versatile that you can style it anyhow you like. I really love this hair. I can you know, stop admiring how it looks on me, and definitely gonna fit anyone at all. By the way, I'm wearing a medium cap size, so would I recommend this hair? Absolutely, I would definitely recommend the hair, because the hair is really great value for money, and it also saves you time going to the salon, and they also have fast shipping. So if you think you have an event next week, you can definitely get your hair before then. The hair is also affordable in my opinion, based on the fact that the hair was actually made with real human hair. So I am loving it so far. I would definitely 100% recommend this hair. Like seriously, I will. I am loving it so far. I'm gonna be wearing the hair for like 4 to 5 days just to like have a real feel of the hair, and do the voiceover and tell you what I really feel about the hair after wearing it for, you know, so many days, which is exactly why I actually installed the hair with the glue. So you don't have to use glue like I did, but I just used the glue because I actually wanted to have a feel of the hair, so I'll be able to give you an in-depth review in my voiceover. So yeah, another thing I really like about this hair is the fact that the lace is really soft and very natural looking. You can barely tell where the lace started. The knots has also been bleached, so it gives that illusion of natural scalp. So in terms of the lace, I'll also recommend the hair as well. I'm really loving how, you know, it's melted on my skin. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the vendor in the description box below. Please feel free to check them out and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.